Soriano gets the ball to start the first. Official tally is 2-0 in favor of Team Panthers. Soriano, Garcia, 2 points for Garcia.
Hilig mo ni Ipa.
15 on the shot clock. George. So gitna. Kano. Alicante. Runner no good. Rebound number 2. Nakuha ni Garcia. Nakapira sa likod. George recovers the loose ball. Kano receives. Kano stops. Kano pops. No good. Rebound number 2. He steps on the gas, gives it to Vasco. Vasco lays up for 2. 4-2, our official score. Laban out at PS by 2. Under 9 minutes remaining in the first. Cano, back to Church. 15 on the shot clock. Alicante drives. Runner is good. 2 points. Number 2. Tequila. No good. Gets his own miss. Put up, but there is a foul.
33.
Foul on number 33. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws on number 2, Tequila. Misses on the first. Is Tequila. Second shot. Short play. He gets the loose ball. Vasco gets the ball. Vasco number 30. Vasco shoots no. Rebound George. George. Sa gitna. Number 33. No good. Rebound number 30. Vasco. Over to Benito number 66. Benito. Garcia 15 to shoot. Garcia to Soriano. Soriano shoots. Soriano scores. Tano now in basketball. George, Stefano. Cano lays up. Cano scores. 6 all, our official tally with 7 minutes and 22. Number 24, traveling violation. 1 step too many for Soriano. Turnover. George. Number 33, what he's going to do? Traveling violation. But dancing with the wrong song is number 33. Turnover.
Doon sa DJ, tinatawag ka na rin yan.
Soriano.
Kahit nga yung ano eh. Yung gano'n Chelsea.
Sabay pa? Ano yan?
Basta yung pag-dribble.
Rebound Tequila. Tequila shoots. No. Rebound Cano. Cano to George. Number 33, unselfish play. Alicante for 2. Or number 03. 33 with the assist.
Mabilis lang tayo dito. Ayos na po.
Dito. This is a foul on number 31. Alicante, that is his first personal foul, second team foul.
Ang lakas ni Wemby kanina. Sinong yun?
40.
Nanood ako na ng laro, buong laro. Grabe.
Dito.
40 ano ka?
14 to shoot.
Lakas. Anong yan?
Rebound Garcia, offensive board, spin, shoots, no.
Buong laro, pinanood nyo eh.
Offensive board, Soriano.
Kawawa eh.
Vasco. Benito all alone.
Ako na, siya ako na malinis na.
Atapikan. Stolen. Benito. 4-1. Garcia lays up for 2. 8 all on the official tally. 5 minutes and 50. Number 12 with a back. 2 points. Or 22 rather.
Dos lang?
2 points up. 10 to 3. 14 on the shot clock. Cano steps on the gas. Cano, coast to coast, 2 points. to 8. Official tally. Here is Benito being handled by jurors. Benito. Garcia. Lays up. 2 points. 12 to 10. Dalawang kalamangan ng Campos. Basket good. 2 points plus a foul. On number 66, but Benito, that is his first personal foul. First league foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 31.
Lakas ni Wemby.
Alejandro.
Grabe.
Kasi,
Ha?
5.
Oo, 5 minutes.
From Houston, three-point play. Chase players.
Grabe, pinanood siya. Kanada ko eh, buong laro. Ang sarap panoorin. Sinaniba ni KD ang puta.
Sige, ilang tao na tumatakbo ko crossover, good play daw yun.
Nagpo-point guard, nagko-crossover. Nakita yung 3 points kanina niya. Nag-step back, tapos 3 points. Tapos nag-foul pa. Foul counted. Lakas, putik na yun. Ang galing. Kunyari. MGX. Ang galing, putik na
MGX
yun.
ball. Here's back up floor. Back up floor.
Walang nagawa si Cooper Plug eh.
10 points lang.
Ha?
10 points.
Ruelas.
Naka 10 points pa yun?
10 points, 10 rebounds.
Carlos Sanson Gas.
Tapos babad na babad.
Number 12, sure.
Pa-hype lang eh.
Cano the board. Cano shoots, no. Rebound was a floor. Agawan ni Ruelas. Ruelas Luzano. Turnover.
Samantalang nung si Wemby, nung rookie niya, pisan lang na, grabe no.
Kinakain si Cooper Plug ah.
Kaya na kain si Cooper Plug.
Alien yung kalaban eh.
Rodina.
Nag-reverse dunk pa.
Tutik issue. Garcia. Garcia Miller. Rebound. But there is a duty foul on number 25. Rodina, that is his first. Personal foul, second team foul.
Yung comment. Kaya kami natalo ko gahapon.
Bakit?
Yung rep, ay yung committee kampi na sa kalaban. 71 na kami na 68 pa rin.
Referee?
Hindi, yung committee.
Ruelas.
Pinag nila kami. 4 pa rin.
Garcia rebound.
Parang pitong na na-foul bago mag-pin.
Esperanza.
Ha?
Double dribble or palming the ball. Turnover.
Nakikita pala yung lamesa.
Diba?
Nakikita yung yan, okay na. Thank you.
Cano. Big double. Ruelas. Ruelas. Guys. Traveling violation. One step too many for Ruelas. Turnover.
Dustin, umis ko na pa, pare ka best player.
Nakaploor. Nakaploor recovers. Number 1. Aniceto. Big pass. Lagartia. To number 3. Lays up for 2. Credit to assist to Lagartia. 2 points to Cano. 17 to 10. Ito na ang mga Crusaders. Garcia. The big guy. Showing his dribbling. Alre. Rodina fires. Sure. 3-1 Aniceto. Aniceto. Slows down. Now out by Basa. Stolen by Garcia. Nakaplos. Sa Esperanza. Shoots. Rebound. Ruelas. Turnover violation. Turnover. MGX ball. Caught doing the cha-cha as well as turnover. Aniceto, big pass to Cano. Cano, 1-on-1 block of load. Oy! Purple ball. Or black ball, I should say. Black of load. Gives it in the middle. Recovers the loose ball. 12 on the shot clock. Esperanza. Nakagawa ng Rivas. Good steal. Number 12. Lead pass to Cano. Cano, sidestep beauty. Yes, sir.
Grabe yun.
19-10 with a minute and
Mas
11
tumalon.
remaining in the first. Garcia. Garcia. Being out on the 12. Galolos. 12 on the shot clock. Lacagol. Garcia. 6 to shoot. But there is a foul on number 11.
Third personal foul. Ay, third team foul na.
That is his first personal foul, 13 foul.
Lolo ko lang naman siya. Pag ganun to, 14 lang. Wala kaya ayaw na naman eh.
Malolos. Drives, go. Toca Garcia, Ecuador, Diego Cano. What a big board. Rose gets the basketball. Lagartia, runs at the clock, 15 to shoot. Gives it to Cano, Cano drives. Cano lay, Cano scores. Plus a foul on number 7.
Esperanza.
Only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Di kaya ng ano? Ng dahan-dahan lang.
Completes the
Kailangan
three-point
di
play. Making our official score 21-10. 15 seconds to go. Garcia drives. Garcia. Go. Rodina. Garcia Luciano. Volleyball. End of the first quarter.
Di kaya ng ano?
Official score is
Pitik-pitik na.
22-10 in favor of Team Crusaders.
Ganun pa din.
Tama pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Mamamabait ko.
Kaya nga, sa second game, medyo
Sila kayo?
Yes. Tamaan ng tao. Bola.
Start of our second quarter. MGX ball. Garcia. Vasco fakes. Vasco shoots. Vasco scores. 22 to 12. A 10-point deficit for Team MGX. Turns to number 33. Drive, no. Rebound Soriano. Last touch on black. Purple ball.
Sarap ng hangin.
Sa ilalim, nawala ang tira. Rebound Benito. 2-on-2 break. Benito shoots. Benito shoots. Offensive goal number 33. Cano. Over to number 31. 2 points. Alicante. Foul.
22. First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Basket.
Na-shoot ba? Ah, counted pala.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 2, Tequila. Cannot complete the 3-point play. Rebound number 33. Cheers. Sa gitna. Nilabas sa Alicante. Tumingin sa linya. Rebound. Put back 2 points for Cano. 26 to 14. A dozen-point lead for Crusaders. Soriano. Garcia. pass. Naato ni Vasco. Benito. Soriano. Soriano swings, fakes, shoots, 2 points. 26-18, an 8-point lead now for Team Crusaders. 7 minutes and 37. Jers, 14 to shoot. Number 33 goes up. No. Rebound number 22. No good. Rebound Tequila.
Hindi gumana yung 14. Ano yung wire? Yung wire, galaw-galawin yung wire.
Benitez scores. 26-20. Ang nakahabol ng team MGX. Here's Jers. No good. Rebound Tequila. Tequila, pinili ko Soriano. Soriano nito. Locked. Soriano punta. Wala pa rin. Turnover. MGX ball.
Ano yung mo yung wire ko? Ganun. Hindi gumana.
Benito. Being given a pick by Vasco. Benito fires. Shot, number 22. Being given number 33. Number 33. Sa ilalim, number 7. Jers fakes. Number 22. 3 second in the key. Turnover. Benito being high by Jers. Soriano. Tequila. Malalim. Nakuha ni Garcia. Good back is good. 2 points. Goes a foul. Number 33.
Second.
Number 33, that is his second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 35, Garcia. Triples in, completes the 3-point play is Garcia, taking out an official foul, 26-23. Still in favor of Crusaders. 5 minutes and 42. Traveling violation, turnover. Benito over to Vasco. Vasco shoots. Vasco! 3! We are all tied up at 26, 5 minutes and 15. Nawala ang bola, Martinez. Recovered by number 22. Jers fires. Jers! 3! Change players. Official score is 29-26, still in favor of Team Crusaders.
Kabola.
Benito signals the play. Garcia fakes, lays up, 2 points for Garcia. 29-28. There's a Knicks lead, 1 point. Lagartia. Cano fishes a foul.
25.
On number 25, Rontina, that is his second personal foul. First team foul. 14 to shoot. Lagartia. Anicero goes up. Long. Rebound Rontina. Lead pass Manolos.
Basta galaw-galaw mo lang iwan.
Benito now. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Rebound Aniceto. Lagartia with the basketball.
Tubig natin, kinuha.
Lagartia drives. Go. Rebound Rontina. foul on number 12 for tapping when someone shoots.
Si Owa.
Oo. Pati isa pa.
Kaya maglilista daw.
Sige, ako na maglagay na.
Technical free throw
Ba't kasi
for
ginamit?
Benito.
Ano?
66.
Good on the technical free throw, making our official tally.
Kaya nga, bawal
20 apiece, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Rodina shoots. But there is a loose ball foul.
22.
Holding foul on number 22, Rivers.
First, second.
That is his second personal foul. First team foul. Lampagron. Cano. Good pass. Close the layup to Sagatia. Cano recovers 2 points. Rodina with the basketball. Benito gets the faded roll. 31 all with 3 minutes and 1 remaining in the second quarter. Here's Cuevas. 13 to shoot. Agatia all alone. Rebound off the floor. Lampagron, Benito. 2 points. Benito assists to Lampagron.
Kaya po kaya ng MPX yun eh.
Ha?
Dumating pa player.
33 to 31, change of favor. 2 minutes and 33. Cano.
Ngayon lang sila magsilaro kung kailangan laglag na sila.
Cuevas.
Yun oh!
Blocked.
Yeah,
Down out of here. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. Four seconds. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Benito. Tapanaki. Lolos. Nicolino Garcia. 50 on the shot clock. Blanca Flor. Rebound out. Cano. Go. Rebound Malolos. Working to Benito. Benito. Drives. Lays up. Rebound Lolos. Defense to Lagartia. Lagartia. Lays up. Wala. Rebound Aniceto. Aniceto shoots. Aniceto scores. 33 all with a minute and 20 remaining in the second. Benito. Garcia. Go. But there is a foul caught by
First.
Brett on number 26. Aniceto, that is his first personal foul. First team foul.
Oh, 7 na yun. 7 po eh. Ayaw.
One of the first is Garcia. One of the second, 2 out of 2 for Garcia, making our official tally 35 to 33. Lamang MGS got 2. Here's Garcia. Go. Rebound Garcia. Offensive foul on number 35, Garcia.
First.
Garcia only the first personal foul. Aniceto drives. Rebound 12. Rodina gets a ball. Benito. Benito. Go. Rebound Cano. Nuevas. 2-on-1 break. Nuevas. Go. Rebound Aniceto. Nuevas. Mr. Pure Energy. Nuevas shoots. No. This is on it. 3 points.
Ang labit mo! Ang
And
labit,
in the second quarter, official score is 37-33 in favor of Team MGX.
dito mo masagula. Para yung referee siya sa atin mo. Ang kulit ng putik. Jimmy.
Start of our third quarter.
Oo.
Just 3! 37-36. Isa na lang ang ikahawal. Team Mercedes. Vasco. Vasco! 3! 14-36. Apat pa rin ang kalamangan ng TMGX.
Ngayon ka lang dumating. Kailan wala na?
Straks in the board. Americano. Jers. With defense. So Young gets the ball. Steal, yeah. Same basketball with 19 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez. Short. Rebound number 22. Jers. So number 33, 2 points. This is number 7, Jers. Making our official tally 14-38. Number 14. No. Rebound number 33. Hello. But there is a blocking foul on number 24.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Sideline inbound. Jers, 15 on the shot clock. Turnover.
So, ngayon ko lang dumating tapos na.
Number 14, Rodriguez. Number 24, Byers. Offensive board. Number 14, to Esperanza. Go. Black ball, last touch on purple with 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. 14, Soriano, blocked. But there is a foul
Second.
on number 31. That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Alakante.
Ano na naman napindot.
2 free throws awarded to number 24, Soriano.
Or Logan means crew. Tapos galaw-galaw ibo.
In and out on the first is Soriano.
Ayaw pala yun. Sabi, inaayos na yan. Putik is
We'll go on the second, 0 out of 2. Offensive board. Put back for number 14, 2 points. Making our official tally 42-38. Still in favor of Team MGX. In the middle. But there is a foul on number 7, Esperanza.
Sub. Fence.
Substitution.
first, second.
Esperanza, that is the second personal foul, second team foul. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sa gitna, Cano. Go! Cano. Wala! 14, Esperanza, fadeaway, that shot is good. 44-38. Ano po ang kalamangan ng Team MGX? Nagawa, Steve, dahil ang nasalito. Swing move, Rodriguez, Mundano. Alicante. Locked. Alicante. No, rebound Esperanza. Nakuha ni Jerz, fires. Paramas. Rebound Vasco. Soriano runs. Plays 2 points. Wala ng kalamangan. 46-38. But there is a blocking foul on number 7, Esperanza.
Third.
Esperanza, that is his third personal foul.
Second
Team foul.
dalawa lang yun.
No good on the first is number 33.
Yun ha. Hindi ko rin
1
mabasa eh.
out of 2. For number 33, making our official tally.
Pandita.
46-39. Still in favor of NGX.
Pandita yung ano last name. Oh.
Rodriguez. Vasco all alone. Vasco! 49-39 sa pulang kalamangan. Soriano Scamulo. Vasco recovers. Vasco kicks it out to Rodriguez. Time out though. Rodriguez, hand time. Rebound Cano. Big pass to Pancito. Number 33. Wala. Rebound Soriano. Vasco with the basketball. Big pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez is to face. But there's a traveling violation. 1 step too many.
Time out. Crusaders.
Time out, Team Crusaders. Official score is 49-39 in favor of Team MGX with 5 minutes and 29 remaining in the third. Back to the ball game.
Game. The second team ba?
Ramos fires. Rebound Garcia. Garcia to Margarito 2 points. 51-39. Martina.
May laban sila balang kay LG.
Meron second game.
Rebound Cano.
Malapit sila yan oh. Dahil
Basket is good for the back for Martina. Corriendo, number 14. Basket is good, Casabal. Number 33, Bandita.
Pandita third din.
That is his third personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 14. Completes the 3-point plays. Number 14 making our official tally 54-41. 4 minutes and 32 remaining in the third. Good team to shoot. Rivas looks so pure energy. No. Put back for Mandina is good. Federico. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Rodriguez shoots. Tequila punta. Go. Tequila second serve.
31 Alacante.
But there is a foul on number 31, Alicante. That is his third personal foul, third team foul.
Sub.
Nothing but net on the first is Dekia. Number of seconds, clearing the charity, 1-2. Put back is good for Garcia.
Motor, nasa gilid.
Dami.
Kung walang gagawin ko.
Buzzer mo.
Pasuyo naman po yung motor sa gilid. Kanino pong motor ito? Pakiayos po parking.
Pakipasok na lang, pasok.
Pakipasok na lang.
Yung motor na kulay ano?
Aerox na Yamaha.
Oo ba, motor mo yun eh. Motor mo oo.
Ayos na lang daw nung bike.
Pakiayos na lang daw, pakipasok. Rodriguez, 15 to shoot. Garcia, go. Limandano. Turnover. Rodriguez. Traveling violation. One step too many for Rodriguez. Turnover. Lagapia. Jers. Lagapia. 15 to shoot. Tano. It's getting good for Tano. 57 to 45. Still in favor of MGX. Federico being hounded by two guys. Garcia spins. Nikita, 10 seconds to shoot. No. Rebound.
Sub.
Sub.
Substitution. Lagardia. 14 to shoot. Number 14. Lead pass for Federico. Naagaw, Alcina. Lead pass to Cano. Cano is on 2 points.
Tapos tumalon yun, no? Kanina pa yan.
Number 14, signals the play. Dormiendo. Kick out, Federico. In and out.
Sub.
Single. Substitution. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Five seconds. In and out. Good. Garcia. Wala pa rin. Rebound Cano. Rebound Jers. Jers keeps on the gas. Jers laid out. Jers scores. 57-49. Here's Vasco. Being added by Lagartia. Dormiendo. 15 to shoot. Dormiendo pops. Blocked. Dormiendo gets a miss. Tequila no good. Tequila seconds on him. Offensive foul on number 2, Tequila. Only his first personal foul.
Tinamaan si Jay. Hindi, malambot lang. Ano yun? Okay lang yun kasi ano eh.
Lagartia. Maldita. Maldita na number net. 2 points. 57 to 51. Atin na lang ang hinahabol ng Crusaders. 28 seconds remaining. 8 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pablito scores. Jers sa agaw. Recover. 2 points for Jers. End of the third quarter. Official tally is 59 to 53 in favor of Team MGX.
Lalaro sila Ivan.
Wala ko si mga dinaglalaro sa GC.
Sa akin.
Ino-ino ulit eh.
May laban pa sana kayo. Ha? Okay. Next game, magdala na lang kayo ng
Back to
dami.
ball game. Start of the fourth quarter.
Ha?
In-injury sila ng isang araw.
Ah.
Dapat yun.
They're ready to start the fourth. Nagalito nakawala. Good back Soriano, 2 points. 61 to 53, our official time. Martina Duarte, Martina versus a foul. On number 13, Vasco holding his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 33, Bandita.
Ang bilis po ito. Ang bilis tumakbo.
Pagitin yung angat niya, hindi niya alam siya dudukot eh.
Gets the lucky bounce on the first is
Hindi
Bandita.
alam ko dudukot niya dito eh, pipigyan ko na lang eh.
Hindi, may
Too much
sumabay
muscle
eh.
behind on the second, 1
Kaya
over
kaya
2. 61-54. Garcia kick out. Turnover. Passes to the wrong guy. Lagaklia. Issue. 10 seconds to shoot. That's a real mosa.
Ganda sa akin.
Soriano on the board. Benito against the ball. Benito spins, stops, shoots over. Iwan Montal. Benito Bandita. Lee Pascano. Now shoots. Walk from the line. Vasco recovers. Vasco stops. Vasco safely giving it to Garcia. 14 to shoot. But Benito. Three! 64 to 54, our official tally with 8 minutes and 25. Bandita drives. In and out. Cano. Garcia. Number 12. It's up. The observer. 64 to 56. Benito. 15 on the shot clock. Bandita, 2-on-1 break. Cano. Basket was a foul. On number
Federico.
66 for Benito.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul, or first team foul, I should say.
Inaabot eh. Yung foul po yun. Ayaw talaga yan.
Bonus free throw for Cano. Look at
Sakto, sarap. Ayaw mo tayo.
traveling violation, turnover.
Time out.
Hindi, sab lang.
Time out. Time out. MGX.
Para Team MGX. Official score is 64 to 58 in favor of MGX with 7 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the final quarter. To be exact, we only have 451 seconds remaining in the game. Back to ball game.
Ding-a-ding-a-ding.
good ball. Maldita, sidestep, black ball, last touch on Violet. But there is an offensive foul on number 8, Blanca Flor. Substitution. Blanca Flor, that is his second personal foul.
Mamaya.
Tagal lumabas eh.
Bagal eh.
Jurors, 15 on the shot clock. Blanca foul. Locked. Elegante recovers. No. Rebound Soriano. Rubicas Benacatia. All alone is Elegante. Touchdown. Here's the Bonita. Substitution.
Kanyo first. Kanyo. Kano?
Number 3, only his first personal foul, first team foul.
Si Kano.
2 free throws awarded to number 35. Second throw is Logan. Same basketball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Black ball, MGX ball with 20 seconds on the shot clock.
Nasali ba eh?
Good play. No good for Soriano. Rebound Jers. Rebound Soriano. Cano lays up. 64-62. That's a 1% lead. With 5 minutes and 20 remaining in the score. Alcaide. Agawan. Good defense. Alicante. Mikay. Naalaw yung Dominador. Dominador. Counter steal yung Bandita. Dalawa lang hinahabol ng Crusaders. Bandita. Alicante. Turnover.
Time out.
There's a pushing foul on number 7.
First.
That is his first personal foul. First team foul.
Time out. Crusaders.
Team Crusaders. Official score is 64-62. Still in favor of MGX with 4 minutes and 31 remaining in the fourth quarter. 271 seconds remaining.
Give.
Back to the ball game. Seconds on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Rodriguez being high. 10 to shoot. Rodriguez. Rodriguez good pass. Corredor loses. Go. Naagaw ni Alcaide. Alcaide. Passes to Garcia. Go. Garcia recovers. Garcia no good.
Ano?
But there is
Second.
a foul on number 3, Camel. That is his second personal foul.
Second team.
Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 35, Garcia. You're the first.
Tira na.
Violation, free throw violation.
Hindi pa kasi tumira.
Garcia. Ang ganda Esquerol por Paquita. Por el principio de la García. 65-64. Rodriguez. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to 2. Rodriguez escapes. 2 points. Official score is 67-64. Meron pa rin ang tatlo ang MGX. 3 minutes and 23. Agaw, Alcaide. No. Put back, it's good for Rodriguez. 69-64. Yung mga kalalaman. Black ball, good defense for Rodriguez.
Sam. Timeout.
Timeout, Team Crusader. Official score is 69-64 with 3 minutes and 1 second
Nag-timeout.
remaining in the fourth.
Tagal-tagal pa maubos ng oras.
MGX.
Naubos na ng timeout.
Ang game reset natin, wala na pong timeout ang Team Crusaders. Wala na pang dalawa. MGX. Back to the ball game. Last 181 seconds remaining.
14.
Rodriguez out of the body of the chairs. 15 on the shot clock. Agaw sa likod. Alcaide recovers. Rodriguez, last 9 seconds.
Tatlo. Ano, third? Report? Ay,
Wala daw foul.
walang foul. Sino foul? Tapik lang.
6 minutes to shoot. Rowling violation. Turnover.
Grabe yun. Grabe yun.
Alcaide nakawala. Alcaide! Laban! But there's a foul on number 13-3, Bandita.
Dito.
Bandita, that is his fourth personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 5, Alcaide.
Pinula.
Misses on the first is Alcaide. No good, 0 out of 2. Turns the cover. Naiwan na bola. Nakakuha ni Rodriguez sa agaw, pero black ball. 22 seconds on the shot clock. 22 seconds remaining for MGX. Benito. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Rodriguez pulls up. Rebound Bandita. Bandita quickly to Jerz. Jerz sa ilalim. Lagartia. 69-68. Isa lang ang kalamangan. A minute and a half. Rodriguez being outed by Jerz. 15 to shoot. Rodriguez over to Benito Pace. Benito shoots. Benito gets the lucky bounce. 71-68. But there is a foul on number 66, Benito. That is his third personal foul.
13.
13 foul.
Third na.
Wala pang player.
2 free throws awarded to number 31.
Wala pang player yung Hoopsters. Saka ano? 4.
Mondi Paul.
Cannot convert on the first.
Wala pa yung player kay El.
Good on the second. Second charity, 1 out of 2. Oh, free-throw penalty.
Basket yan, sir.
No basket for Alicante.
Stepping. Ato Malon.
Official tally natin 71-68. Tatlo pa rin ang laman ng Team MGX with a minute and 68 seconds remaining.
Nakakawata.
Garcia. Aycaide scores. 73-68.
Talowa.
But there is a foul.
First.
Number 24.
Sa kabila ngayon,
Rodriguez.
sinagano
Only the
yung foul.
first personal foul.
Court.
Warning for penalty. 20 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 52 seconds on the game clock.
Sa kabila 3.
Basket. Nakurani. Bandita. Shoots. Rodriguez for Bandita. Save. Rodriguez. There is a foul on number 7, Jerez.
Second.
Apat pala.
That is his second personal foul.
4.
Warning for penalty. $17 on the shot clock. Aycaide. Aycaide swings. Aycaide. Garcia. Blows the layup. But there's the foul on number
Ano? Third.
3. Now, that is his third personal foul penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 5, Aycaide. No good on the first is Aycaide. Second try, he makes the second adjustments, 1 out of 2. 74-68. But there is a foul on number 66,
Jericho.
Benito.
Court.
Benito, that is his fourth personal foul. Penalty. 3 free throws awarded to number 7.
Bulok eh.
Dahil sinabayan mo na lang eh, di ba yung sinakit? Sige, isa na lang. $24 mo sa kabila. Last shot.
Last 21 seconds.
Si Dustin. Si Garcia.
Our best player of the ball game goes to number 35, Garcia.
Hindi doon dating yung mga ano namin ah.
Si Dustin.
Okay na kayo na shoot ko na to.
Kaya mo 5 minutes. Kahit 3 minutes. Oo, 5 minutes. Ito boss.
Ito talaga yung ano, tawag yung taker natin.
Tayo mga anak.